Let me tell you something truly inspiring about the Acholi people. The Acholi are a community like no other. Known for their big hearts and unshakable generosity, greed has no place in their culture because they believe in Mingang Mayon, the joy of sharing and caring for one another. In an Acholi home, no visitor leaves hungry. Whether it's the last handful of millet or the only fish caught for the day, they'll share it with a smile. Their philosophy is simple. What is mine is also yours, because together we thrive. The generosity extends beyond food. They share their time, knowledge, and even their laughter. It's not about how much one has, but how much they are willing to give. In a world that often feels so self-centered, the Acholi people remind us of the beauty of putting others first. It's a lesson we can learn from because, in the end, true wealth is found in how we treat other people.